So you can see that the tires are off the ground and it's on a frame. You can see that this here, it's on a set of rails. The rails, this is one of the rails right here, and this is a rail right here. You can see that this is where the pit starts, and the rails will go down and drop down here. So this is be almost finished. So this is how the tires got on the ground. So you can see that the rails coming down, the tires would hit, and it would roll on this here way. This picture and this picture are pretty similar, except for black and white in color. So the cars came down here, did a 90-degree, and this here is a pit, so this would have been all dug out where the guys or gals would have been underneath the car doing whatever they're doing and roll it out here. The reason why we say that is this here, we're looking at this, and you see that right here. So I'm not sure, we're just taking a guess on where it could have been, but there's only a few places where we have that, which is down here and over here. So it's in this area as they're going.
As they finished, they went out the door.
This is where they went out the door, not that door here. They actually went out, there's a door that's not a door. This is exactly orientated right, because that's number G8. And G8 is right here. So this is where they got the pre-final. So this is where the cars are all going right straight on down here. Literally right down here.
Can't argue that one.
Can't argue that one. That's photographic proof. No, they're pre-final, so they're not final. So they're going down, and then they get pre-final, and then they get into final. But again, you can see with the G8, and the G8 is still right there. So it's going right straight down here.